Stop the party. Two and a half. Three. There's a lady behind me, big cats. She's feeding the stray cats. Don't feed the cats. Stop feeding the cats. Stop feeding the cats. Stop feeding the cats. No, feeding the stray cats. No, don't feed the cats. She's feeding the cats. You can see her feeding the cats.
Forgive you.
Hey, yeah, that's what you get. That's what you get. That's what he gets for him. I get. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you do this? Stop! I can't see. And I'm getting fatter. It's not your teeth are shifting. Cause you're missing a tooth. I haven't designed and you know it. Stop, what the f is wrong with you? You need to put something in there. It's so gross. You get somebody that has a big gaping hole in their mouth. You know that I spend all the food for my job, for what? For my dinner, where I get paid for eating on camera. They don't want you to eat this much. Are we possibly gonna finish all this? I can finish it. I want to hear. What do you get? Look at it all up now. I can't open the door, I'm so crazy. No. He's supposed to care for me when I'm sick. He's supposed to care for me when I'm sick. And he just makes it harder. I'm so stressed. This is all for you. No one even gives me a break ever. I don't want these giggles. I want stupid, beautiful, stupid.